Hey everybody, welcome to another Stuff You Can Do Too video. And on today's video, I'm going to show you where to find the factory key code on your Ford Super Duty truck and how to change your keypad code. To change the code, you have to go to Settings and scroll over to Vehicle. And you'll see something that's called Door Keypad Code. And you'll see here that it says to be able to change the keypad code, you have to have the factory 5-digit code. The problem there is that you might not have that code, so right now I'm going to show you where to find it on your truck. Okay, so that code is located on the passenger side front kick panel, and what you have to do to access the code is remove this fuse box cover here, and then secondly you'll pull up this trim piece here, and then this piece that was right here you'll pull out. Just be very careful when you remove this piece here, or you can break the clips off. There's several different clips that connect that in there, and they're kind of delicate. So once you've done that, you're going to want to look in here, back in this right side here, and there's a sticker. It's kind of hard to see. I'll try to get a better picture and get it on the screen here. But there's a sticker right there, and you'll see something that it says key code, and the digits next to that are what you need. Alright, so once we've done that, we want to go ahead and enter that code in. And we're going to erase. I'm going to erase the code because I bought this truck used and I want to erase the previous owner's code. Now if I want to add my own, I can just do the same thing. It's going to ask me the same question. This time though I'm going to click add. And then I'm going to enter my new code 2 different times to confirm it to make sure I get it right. So you can see now that I've entered my new one. Go ahead and hit enter. And it says the user door keypad code has been added. Alright guys, that's pretty much all I have for today's video. If this was helpful, please hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.